Sanibonani mthwakazi omuhle, silamukela njalo kwesinye isiqephu sethu sezindaba kumsakazo we-Citizens Movement Radio. Namhla kungumsombuluko zingama-25 kuNcwabakazi ngomnyaka ka-2025. Indaba lizethulelwa ngikhethiwe Chuma. Kwesihamba phambili namhlanje siza kuqala kabusha kusho umongameli uChamisa. Akuzukwenzeka lokho kwenzeka ngomnyaka ka-2023 ngoNcwabakazi, kusho uMkhwananzi lapho ememezela ukuba kujintshwe ezokuqhutshwa kokhetho. Sekulokukhala okukhulu ngokugugudwa komhlabathi okwenziwa yizizalwane zeChina kwele Zimbabwe. Nanzi indaba zethu ngokugcweleyo. Umongameli wabantu Advocate Nelson Chamisa usewaqinisekisa isizwe njalo ukuba iloba kukhona ukuphambanisayo kanti njalo lokudonsela inqubela phambili emuva akazi ukukhathala ukulwela iZimbabwe enkulu entsha. Ephosela emakhasini akhe okuxhumana, umongameli uChamisa uqonqosele isidingo sokuba abantu bahlale ethembeni, babe mqotho njalo babeyazi into abayifunayo, njengoba ethi yena akazi ukukhathala ukuba aqale kusha njalo. Isiphathamandla sebandla eliphikisayo esabelweni saseMatabeleland, umhlonitshwa ubekezela amaplanka, uthi umongameli uChamisa ulokhe elithemba labantu abayizizalwane zeZimbabwe ezihluphekayo njalo ezikhangelele ukuba kube lotshintsho. Ake sizweni umama uMaplanka ekhuluma.
Advocate Nelson Chamisa remains the authentic voice of the people of Zimbabwe struggling for transformation. He remains the great leader in opposition in the nation of Zimbabwe. He has won elections twice, 2018 and 2023, but he was rigged, which clearly shows that he is the only choice of the people of the nation of Zimbabwe. Citizens believe, trust and love him for his leadership. Advocate Nelson Chamisa is our only hope. We know and we believe that it's only a matter of time. When his time comes, he will lead the new great Zimbabwe with love. I encourage the citizens that let's rally behind him and give him all the supports that he needs. Let's remain loyally, focused and solid as the sun is about to rise.
Umgqibelo mhla zingama-23 kuNcwabakazi bekufikisa iminyaka emibili selokhu umongameli webandla leZANU-PF lo obusa ngodlakela u-Emmerson Mnangagwa wantshontsha intando yabantu ngokhetho lolu olwasola inhlanganiso ye-SADC Election Observer Mission ICIOM abathi lolu khetho lwalulihlazo. Usomlomo webandla eliphikisayo uPromise Mkhwananzi uthi ilizwe liyadinga ukuba lenze lokhu kwacetshiswa inhlanganiso ye-ICIOM phambi kokuba kuyiwe kolunye ukhetho. uMkhwananzi uye wathi uMnangagwa ulokhe ngumongameli ongakhethwanga ngabantu kanti njalo abantu abalalo ithemba kuye kanye labantu bakhe asebenzisana labo ngezamabhizinisi. Ake simzweni usomlomo uMkhwananzi ekhuluma.
Sithanda ukukhuthaza ke umnumzana uMnangagwa ke ukuthi kufuze akhumbule ukuthi isikhundla lesasiphethwe kwamanje usiphethe ngenkani hayi ngesivumelano semuli yaseZimbabwe ngemva kokuba wehluleka ke ukunqoba okumgceke ekhethweni olwadlulayo ngo-2023. Ngalokho siyamkhuthaza ke njalo ukumkhumbuza ke ngesihlelo esafakwa iSADC esama recommendations for far reaching electoral reforms azakwenza ke ukuthi nxa kungaba lolunye ukhetho luhambe kuhle njalo abantu nje jikelele ama-investors labanye abachiyeneyo babe le confidence yokusiza ke ilizwe laseZimbabwe ukuba lithuthuke kweze economy laze politics lakho konke okunye njengamanye amazwe kube nokuhambela ukuyangqobela phambili efiswa nguzulu wonke waseZimbabwe.
Sokulokukhala okukhulu okuvela emphakathini lapho bekhala ngezizalwane zaseChina esezigugude umhlabathi zona lemvelo lapho begijimisa ukudinga izembiwa zelizwe. Olwela amalungelo abantu Obed Masaraure uye wabhalela umthungameli webandla lezanu PF Emmerson Mnangagwa lapho abemtshela khona ukuba akamise into yakhe ayiqhubayo lama-China yokuguguda umhlabathi. Ake sizweni kaMasaraure ekhuluma.
Zimbabweans should be alive to the fact that the lithium ore that is being extracted from Zimbabwe today is powering the next generation of vehicles, the electric vehicles in China, and they are making big money out of it. We do not begrudge them. They are advanced technologically than us, but all we are demanding is that there should be justice along the value chain. We have the ore, we are producing the ore. While they are extracting the ore and making big money out of it, they should not destroy our environment. They should not destroy our livelihood. They should not displace our people. They should not disrupt learning in our schools. They should not poison our rivers. They should not kill our people through unsafe working conditions in their companies. That is not too much to ask for. And this is why we are taking a stand as a people. This is why we have decided to confront. Initially, we are raising these issues with the President of the Republic, Emmerson Mnangagwa, to put an end to the reckless mining activities that are happening across the country. Zimbabweans deserve respect. We are a sovereign republic with sovereign laws, and the Chinese should treat us with respect. We've seen the Chinese extracting minerals elsewhere, working in other jurisdictions. They respected the laws of those countries. Why are they taking us for granted? Why are they destroying our environment? Why are they disregarding our laws, our leaders, and our people? That is what we don't accept. And if Emmerson Mnangagwa fails to step up and provide leadership, we'll be left with no option but to confront the Chinese ourselves. I think citizens are aware that at some point when citizens were gathered against the US embassy, demanding an end to sanctions. Now this is the time for people to occupy the Chinese embassy and demand an end to the exploitation and destruction of our ecology by these Chinese people. Zimbabwe is a sovereign republic, and that sovereignty has to be defended by all of us. If the leadership is bribed and not prepared to defend our land, then it is up to us to defend our own land.
Kwesinye njalo isenzo esimangazayo, umsekeli kamongameli webandla lezanu PF Khwembo Mohati uye wavula ngokusemthethweni izihlalo ezilishumi esibhedlela sasempilo koBulawayo. Unozindaba olwesicoco esiphezulu uHopewell Chinono uye wasola lesi senzo lapho athe umsekeli kamongameli welizwe kanye longqongqoshe wezempilakahle abandize besuka kwele Harare belanda ukuzovula ngokusemthethweni izihlalo. Uye wathi izihlalo lezi ezilethwe nguhulumende athi ziyelapha izihlalo nje ezifana lezihlalo ezisetshenziswa iziguli nxa zihlala lapho ezelatshelwa khona. Siye saxoxisana lezakhamizi ukuze sizwe imbono yabo ngokudlaliswa kwesikhathi kanye lengcebo yelizwe. Ake sizweni.
Tichisangana pano masikati anhasi paCitizens Movement Radio tichikurukura neurongwa hwakaitwa naVice President vakachienda kuBulawayo kunopa macheya kuMupilo Hospital. Munoona zvinoitika kunyika yemuZimbabwe inyaya yekuti hurumende iri kutungamira Zimbabwe haisi hurumende ine hanya uye inoita zvinhu zvinobatika, zvinhu zvinodevelopment kunyika yeZimbabwe. Vanotora tatingati isisu commission tisina nebasa rese, tusina kana chatingati chisina udzamu zvokuti service delivery kunyika kwedu isisu haiko kuvana veZimbabwe. Nokuti how can a minister and a president or vice president anopisa mafuta emotikari achienda kuBulawayo kunopa machairs, basa rinogona kuitwa nakansela, basa rinogona kuitwa naMP, basa rinogona kuitwa nameya, but vice president unosimudza motikari kuenda kuBulawayo kunopa macheya pachipatara cheMupilo Hospital, unonatsa kuona kuti tine government isina basa nevanhu, iri pakungoruta, iri pakungodya upfumi hwenyika yeZimbabwe. Saka hakuna chinotishamisa zvakadaro zvichiitika kuutungamiri hweZANU PF. Zvakamboitika futi kuna Mnangagwa Mnangagwa wakatombopisa motikari kupisa kuenda kukwekwe konovhura public toilet public toilet konovhura zviri pamutemo toilet president wenyika unoga unonasa kuona kuti hayakumona tiri kuitirana mahumbwe munyika mezimbabwe tiri kuitirana mahumbwe atiri kuitira munyika yezimbabwe mahumbwe atiri kuitirwa vana vezimbabwe tikatadza kubatana nyika yedu hatina chatinoona chine udzamo munyika yezimbabwe hatina development yatinoona zvese zvamunoona zvokunzi tazovaka inter-exchange wati aye mabasa zvingani zvakaitwa naMnangagwa zvatingade kuverenga zvingani tingaverenga kuti takaona zvakati nezvakati hakuna chitsva chatinoona chinobva kuZANU-PF and hakuna chakamboitwa neZANU-PF kunze kwekuluta nekuuraya upfumi hwenyika. Thank you very much.
Bekulusuku olujwayelekileyo njalo eMbare ngezamabhizinisi lapho abantu abathengisayo beshaye indiva umthetho ophoselwe ngungqongqoshe wezemadolobheni uDaniel Garwe lo ovimba ukuba bathengise impahla ezike zaqokwa. Umsakazo weCitizens Movement Radio uye wavakashela kule ndawo lapho abathengisayo bebezithengisela impahla yabo egcekeni kanti njalo bekhululekile. Abanye abathengisayo esixoxisane labo baye bathi abazukulalela isinqumo esenziwe ngungqongqoshe kanti njalo baza kuqhubeka bethengisa lezi mpahla ngoba kuyindlela abaziphilisa ngayo. Abathatha umhlabathi ngodlakela njalo besebenzisana lebandla leZANU-PF baqhubekela phambili ngokuba ludubo edorobheni laseChitungwiza lapho behlose ukuthatha indawo eziliceke. Ngempelaviki iziphathamandla zasekhansilini kanye lamapholisa baye bavimba abanye abathatha umhlabathi lapho sebezimisele ukuba bakhe egcekeni eliseduze lebhawa yaseHunyani eChigobanyika eSt Mary's. Indawo le ingumhlaba omanzi kanti njalo okumangazayo ukuba kulezitolo ezakhiwa emfuleni oseduze khonapho. Umdlalo omkhulu weqembu lama-Warriors uTendai Ndoro ubekiwe endaweni yakhe yokugcina emathuneni ase-West Park koBulawayo izolo. Othungamela abasha kubandla eliphikisayo uBruce Moyo obehlanganyele emncwabeni wakhe uye wethula inkulumo yakhe njengesiphathamandla kanti njalo elikhansila. Umoyo uye wathi sikhona isidingo sokuba uhulumende esekele ezemidlalo njalo kube khona indawo eziqondileyo zokudlalela ukuze abantu abasha bathole usizo kukho. Uye wathi imidlalo isingenye izindlela zamabhizinisi kanti yikho lapha abantu abasha sebeqashwe khona. Kuyadingeka ukuba uhulumende afake imali ukuze kube lemphumela. uNdoro watholakala ebhubhile endaweni yakhe ayihlala kilo eGoli kwele South Africa kuvike phelileyo. Ake sizweni inkulumo kaMoyo.
Affected. Akusenayo kusonke saboNdoro ngesaboMoyo. But sonke sidalela ithime one. Ngikhuluma khuleko bathandelayo ngesithi kuma-associations akhonayo nama-coaches akhonayo ukuze sithuthukise uBulawayo in sports and in football we must work as a team. I-team yama-defenders ilama-midfielders ilama-strikers njengoBulawayo sinama-roles atshiyeneyo esesingawadlala ukuthi sithuthukise i-sporting activity koBulawayo so that we create our own Ronaldos abavela ngapha koBulawayo. Kumele sibambane, we build each other, we support each other as a team. Ngikhuluma ngamazwi yojaka uThabuzi who will continue with the name and the legacy echilwe nguBhuti uTendai. We need to support him njengehulumende simsupporte njengomphakathi wakoBulawayo so that he rise and the legacy of Ndoro continues. Akukhangelelanga ukuvela eqembini libethaba neluphi sinathawa safana nayo we breathe air from the same atmosphere. If you want to make Bulawayo great, let's work as a team. My brother, this is a painful moment, but the legacy of Ndoro lies within you. As a local authority, we are here to support you and to support the team and the legacy of Ndoro. Thank you so much for being there. Thank you so much for being supportive. Ngihlala phansi, wonke umuntu empilweni has a purpose. Umlimi wasidala wasinika isikhwaliseko ezishiyeneyo emhlabeni. Okuqakathekileyo akusonyaka ophila emhlabeni. You might live for 80 years. uNkulunkulu nasemphakathini akusebenzi. What is important is umsebenzi oyenza eminyakeni yakho nguNkulunkulu. So it's about the works, not the length of life you have lived. We are proud of Fundoro because he lived his life to the fullest. That's why Snapo Jawata are inspired by him. Now in Obesile kuwe mphakathi wakobunawa. Yikuyinoza kuchiya emphakathini ngesikhathi uNkulunkulu ekuthatha. What will you be remembered for as we gather here to celebrate life eKatoro? Siyabonga.
Enye inhlanganiso yezenguqu eyaziwa ngokuthi Footballers Union of Zimbabwe FUZ siyethule inkulumo yabo besola kakhulu iziphathamandla zeqembu leYada Stars ngokuhlukumeza lokushaya umvimbi wamagoli uGodnose Gurure endaweni lapho abatshintshela khona impahla ngemva kokuba benqotshwe 3-2 ingezi Platinum ngolwesihlanu. Imbiko evelayo ithi uGurure washaywa ngamadoda amathathu ayethunganyelwa ngomunye olilunga lebhodi uSpencer Muvati. Ngokumangazayo umnikazi waleli qembu leYada Stars ngumprofethi oyaziwa kakhulu Walter Magaya othungamela inkonzo ye-Prophetic Healing and Deliverance PhD Ministries. Iqembu leDynamos liqhubekela phambili ngokuzihlenga ngemva kokuba izolo linqobe iqembu leGreen Fuel 2-0 enkundleni yeRufaro. Nansi eminye imiphumela yeCastle Premier Soccer League edlalwe ngempelaviki. iBikita Minerals 1, Highlanders 2, Manica Diamonds 1, Moz 1, FC Platinum 0, Caps United 1, ZPC Kariba 1, Triangle United 0, Simba Bora 3, Kwekwe United 1, Herentals 1, Scotland 3, Tel 1, Chicken Inn 2, Yada 2, Ngezi Platinum 3. Iqembu le-Arsenal lakhwela lazehlela eqenjini le-Leeds United lapho libabhuqe 5-0 ngomgqibelo emdlalweni wabo we-English Premier League okubashiye sebephezulu. Nansi eminye imiphumela yemidlalo yosuku lwesibili ku-English Premier League. iFulham 1, Manchester United 1, Everton 2, Brighton and Hove 0, Manchester City 0, Tottenham 2, West Ham 1, Chelsea 5, Burnley 2, Sunderland 0, Bournemouth 1, Wolves 0, Brentford 1, Aston Villa 0, Crystal Palace 1, Nottingham Forest 1. Namhlanje Liverpool iza kudlala leNewcastle namhla kusihlwa. Ukuziphetha lezi ndaba kumsakazo weCitizens Movement Radio nanze besihamba phambili. Siza kuqala kakusha kusho uMongameli uChamisa. Akuzukwenzeka okwenzeka ngoNcwabakazi womnyaka ka2023 kusho uMkhwananzi ememezela kuba kujintshwe indlela okuqhutshwa ngayo ezokhetho. Sokulokukhala kuvela emphakathini ngezizalwane zaseChina eziguguda umhlabathi elizweni laseZimbabwe. Siziphetha lapha lezi ndaba.